Have you ever wondered what those warning lights on your dashboard really mean? Ignoring them could cost you big time. In today's video, we're breaking down the critical dashboard indicators that signal your vehicle needs attention. Let's discuss the oil pressure indicator light. This light is a serious warning that you could be running low on oil or experiencing a problem with your oil pump. When this light comes on, you need to check your oil levels immediately. Please don't wait too long because an issue can lead to serious engine damage. I advise you getting your vehicle to a shop as soon as possible. This is a battery warning light. If this light comes on, it indicates a potential issue with your car's electrical system. This could be anything from a failing battery to a malfunctioning alternator. Worst case scenario, there is a problem with your vehicle's wiring. It is crucial to address this warning quickly to avoid being stranded with a dead battery. This light is probably pretty familiar to y'all living in Texas, and it's the engine temperature light. This warning is most common during the summer months and indicates that the engine is overheating. High engine temperatures can usually be traced back to low coolant levels or restricted coolant flow. If you see this light, check your coolant immediately to prevent serious engine damage. The brake warning light often means your emergency brake is engaged, but you've released it and the light stays on. It could mean there's more serious issues with your braking system. It is very important to get this checked out immediately to ensure your vehicle is safe to drive. And the light that almost everyone has seen before is a check engine light. This is one of the most common dashboard indicators and can signify a range of issues from minor to serious. Whether it's a loose gas cap or something more significant, it is important not to ignore this light. Disconnecting and reconnecting your battery is not a fix. I recommend always getting it checked out, even if everything seems fine. Something a lot of people don't know is that you can get your check engine light scanned at a local parts store for free, but this is not going to necessarily tell you what the issue is. Essentially, it gives you a general location of your fault. If your troubleshooting efforts don't seem to be fixing the problem, I highly recommend bringing it in for a diagnostic check. So the next time one of these warning lights appears on your dashboard, don't brush it off. These little lights are your vehicle's way of communicating that it needs help. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe and share it with others. And remember, Mobile Elite Auto is here to help whenever you need assistance. Check out the video that should be on your screen now for some important things to think about when purchasing your next vehicle. Stay safe on the road and we'll see you on the next one.